Today, I'm going to share with you guys how we make our delicious, spicy candied yams. We start with 1 stick of salted butter. We add about 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white granulated sugar. You can add more sugar to your taste later, but start small. Then we have the cinnamon, which we sprinkle over our rinsed and chopped sweet potatoes. We stir and mix it all up until it's good and coated with the cinnamon. And then we move on to our next step, which is letting the butter and sugars melt together. And we stir it until it's smooth. Then we add our cinnamon coated sweet potatoes and we stir it until it's coated with the spices. The next ingredients are the honey, the lemon extract, vanilla, and pumpkin spice. We add about 1 teaspoon of the extract and 1 tablespoon of the honey. Once we add the spices, we stir it up. Then we put a pot lid on top and let it simmer for approximately 15 minutes on medium to low heat. Then we check it to see if the potatoes are getting soft. We don't want to overcook them. We just want them to be soft but still firm. We let them simmer down more until they soften more, and we continuously check them and make sure you don't turn the heat on high because they will quickly stick and burn, and we don't want that to happen. And you can see that it's making a really nice syrupy juice and sauce. And voila, you have perfect, delicious, spicy candied yams. Perfect for any Sunday dinner meal. Thanks for watching Golden Soul Food. This is my beautiful grandmother, Rosabelle, who inspired this recipe.